How to install Teamviewers in Windows 11. First, open your Windows Start menu and go to the Microsoft Store. In the search bar, type Teamviewer, then press Enter. Click on Teamviewer Remote, then tap Install. Once it installed, close the Microsoft Store. Go back to the Start menu and type Teamviewer in the search bar. Click Open. When it loads, just click Continue. Then choose OK. And that's it. Teamviewer is now ready to use on your Windows.